Fundamental terms to know as a cryptocurrency beginner. These terms are fundamental to understanding the complex world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, helping beginners to speed up their Web3 learning process. HODL. Misspelled form of hold, which refers to holding onto your crypto assets for the long term instead of selling them in response to market fluctuations. It originated from a 2013 Bitcoin forum post where a user misspelled hold during a market crash. FOMO. Fear of missing out. The anxiety that comes from thinking you might miss out on a profitable opportunity, often leading to impulsive buying of assets during a market rally. FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Negative news or misinformation intended to instill fear in the market, which could cause panic selling or reluctance to buy. Do your own research. A phrase encouraging investors to thoroughly research projects before investing, rather than relying on influencers or FOMO. DAO. Decentralized Autonomous Organization. A blockchain-based organization governed by code and smart contracts, allowing stakeholders to make decisions collectively without a central authority. Whale. A term for individuals or entities that hold a large amount of cryptocurrency and have the power to influence market prices by selling or buying in bulk. ATH. All-time high. The highest price ever reached by a particular cryptocurrency. Bull market. A period when prices are rising or are expected to rise, characterized by optimism and investor confidence. Bear market. A prolonged period of declining prices in the cryptocurrency market, often characterized by widespread pessimism. Pump and dump. A scheme where the price of a cryptocurrency is artificially inflated, pumped, through misleading information, followed by selling, dumping, at the peak for profit, leaving others with losses.